If you're trying to use commands in Minecraft Bedrock Edition and you keep getting the message, cheats aren't enabled in this world, don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix it in less than a minute. As you can see, when I try to use a command, Minecraft says cheats aren't enabled in this world. Because of that, commands like weather, time and game mode won't work. To fix it, press the escape key and open the pause menu. Now click on settings, make sure you're in the game section, then scroll down until you find the cheats category. Here you'll see an option called activate cheats. Simply turn it on and confirm the warning message. That's it. Now go back to your world and try the command again. As you can see, the command works perfectly and the error is gone. So that's how you fix the cheats aren't enabled in this world error in Minecraft Bedrock Edition.